Elephants are the heritage animal of India. Humans are sharing spaces with this magnificent and intelligent species from ancient times. Due to human encroachment, habitat loss, fragmentation, corridor destructions, conflict between human and elephants are rising in a rapid rate from last few decades. Elephants are moving out of forest as they changes their foraging pattern. Now elephants are very much dependent on paddy, maize, sugarcane, etc. As the caloric value of those are more than normal elephant fodders, so they coming out of forest for this kind of fodders. Due to this, human and elephant both loses their lives and get injured along with property damages and everything recorded in our country. To mitigate human elephant conflicts, Solitary Nature and Animal Protection Foundation has invented a innovative community based low cost early warning system. As per our study, we have found that elephants are clever enough to destroy normal energizer electric fencing. So we have made innovative flexible poles using spring and UPVC pipes, which elephants are not able to destroy due to its inbuilt flexibility. Whenever elephants pushes those poles, it will come back to its original position by using its tension, shearing and spring system. We have tied ropes or GI wires with these poles which are connected with sirens and light combinations. Whenever elephant pushes those poles or wires, the system will trigger those siren and lights by using tripwire sensor and switches. The system has a capability to provide early warning to the village communities regarding the presence of elephants in their areas, and it also deters elephants due to the sound and light combinations as an effective physical barrier. We have already installed 15 plus kilometers of this kind of innovative fencing in Gorumara National Park, Panjora Village, Borodigi Tea Estates and Meenglass Tea Estates of Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. As per our data, we have got till now, after installation, several human-elephant encounters are mitigated successfully by this device. So we believe in this way we can mitigate human-elephant conflict and create a peaceful coexistence.